Are you looking to maximize your creative potential and effectiveness? If so, hang out. This video is for you. What is going on, everybody? My name is Gordon Xavier. I am here to support you in your evolution. And today, I'm going to be supporting you out here in the beautiful Hawaii, and it's raining, so, excuse all the background noises. I'm going to be supporting you with a really powerful principle that in my life and the people's lives that I've worked with has guided me, guided us, guided them towards happiness, joy, and a sense of completion and wholeness. And all of these qualities are necessary in order to summon your full creative capacity. What I'm going to invite you to do today is to drop judgment. Now, when I say drop judgment, I'm not saying don't use your intellect, don't use your mind to decide whether or not that person or that thing or that behavior is good for you or not. I'm not saying don't drop your discernment. I'm saying drop your judgment about the thing in which you're focusing on. And the reason I'm inviting you to drop judgment is straight up dysfunctional. It's dysfunctional if you're looking to cultivate your energy, cultivate your attention, cultivate your consciousness, and learn how to direct it in a way that benefits you and all in the most effective, high-quality way. When we judge one another, when we judge ourselves, what we do is we end up focusing and fixating our attention in a way that reinforces disgust and disharmony and dissatisfaction. Say for example, maybe fellas, you can relate. Maybe one day your girlfriend your lady is having a challenging day, right? Maybe her hormones are high and emotions are high, and you might have a tendency to judge her when she's you feel like she's being irrational or emotional, or maybe ladies, you may find that your guy is being cold and too calculated and doesn't get you when you're being emotional, and you find yourself judging one another. What happens when you do that? Well, you find that you fixate your attention on something about the other person that you don't like. And as you fixate your attention on that thing that you don't like, your heart feels discontent. You may feel anxiety. You may feel shut down. You don't feel like you're at your best self. You don't feel like you're at your best. That judgment that you're holding on to about the other will cause you to hold on to an energy of disgust and misalignment within. And when that energy of disgust is held on to within, it becomes one of the ingredients that you utilize in creating the soup of your life. It becomes one of the ingredients that you utilize to engage with the world. You judge the people who choose to wear masks, or you judge the people who choose not to want to wear masks, right? In terms of what's happening with COVID right now. Well, when we hold on to judgment with one another, we hold on to disgust. I'm reiterating it and saying it over and over again to really drive it home. We hold on to vibrations and frequencies that do not serve us when it comes to realizing ourselves in our true identity, which is love, which is alignment, which is a beautiful part and parcel of the Most High, of God. If you're going to create your dream life, you need all of you. You need all of your heart, right? If you're going to serve the world in a way that uplifts and liberates and heals, you need all of your heart. And if you're judging the world or yourself or whatever, if you're judging in a way that reinforces negativity, that reinforces disgust and pain, you will be binding your heart to a lower way of being. Rather than judge, seek to understand and forgive. Forgive those who don't have the same viewpoint as you. Let go of being right. That's one of the reasons we hold on to judgment, is we have this tendency to need to be right. And that need to be right can be a very restricting need. It can be a very limiting need. And while we do live in a world of limitation, we do live in a world of finite manifestation. Right? This is a finite world. While we do live in a world like that, we are infinite beings. And in order to infinitely summon our attention and creative capacity, in order to infinitely expand spiritually, we must be identified and aligned with that aspect of ourselves, that part of ourselves. So that's my invitation to you in today's video, is to release judgment of yourself, release judgment of another, seek to understand, feel the disgust rather than use the disgust to be right. Feel the disgust, allow the disgust to weigh heavy. Allow your heart to move with the disgust. Breathe through the disgust and allow it to be transmuted into acceptance. And then take your attention back from that thing in which you fixated on and bring it back to your center. And that will greatly serve you in living an empowered existence. So as always, there's nothing but love here for you. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, share your ideas. And if you'd like to connect on a deeper level, you can do so at evolvethroughlove.org. And you and I can set up a conversation and we can explore the things in your world in which you can't help but judge, and explore possible remedies and solutions so you can liberate yourself and show up empowered in your world. Till next time, take care.